I never believed in ghosts. I rolled my eyes at ghost stories, scoffed at horror movies, and brushed off every eerie experience. That was before I met her. It happened in Galveston, at Ashton Villa. My friends, obsessed with the supernatural, dragged me along to find the ghost of Betty Brown. I didn't believe in spirits, but that night changed everything. The mansion loomed under the dim streetlights. Jason tried the main door, locked. We turned to leave. Then I saw it. A smaller hidden door. I reached out. It opened. Inside, the air was thick, ancient. A dusty chandelier flickered. A rusted lock lay on the floor. At the top of the stairs, an old barricaded door. I smirked. Betty Brown, are you even real?" The house answered. The chandelier trembled. A scream ripped through the walls. The barricaded door shook. The piano slammed shut on its own. "Run!" We bolted, the door slamming behind us. Silence. Nothing but waves crashing in the distance. The next day, I called the owners. "That's impossible," they said. "The locks were never broken." Since then, lights flicker when I enter a room. Shadows stretch where they shouldn't. I don't believe in ghosts. At least I didn't. But now I know. Betty Brown is real, and she's still with me. Watching, waiting.